Our focus tonight, as the Telangana storm spreads, we look at what's happening here beyond politics, how this movement is now being spearheaded by students at the Osmania University. The struggle has now moved beyond the political sphere to the Osmania University, where many students look at this as a historic opportunity to correct the wrongs of the past. Uma Sudhir profiles one such protester.
Ratna Teja is among the hundreds of students on Osmania University for whom the dream of a separate Telangana is intrinsically linked to the dream of a better future.
We have some cultural benefits out of separate Telangana, employment benefits, socio-political benefits, and lot many benefits we have. Moreover, for the self-respect.
It is not easy for people like Ratna. He is a BPO employee by night and a journalism student by day. And now he has taken on this new role.
We strongly believe in that. We are the only people here who can actually shake the parliament or assembly so that they have to introduce the bill in parliament for separate Telangana, keeping the concerns of the Telangana people in mind.
I asked the students if the volatile situation has not scared their parents. The students say their parents share their sentiments on Telangana and they feel it is now or never. So they have advised them to be careful but stay on and support the cause.
After an Indian, I am a Telangana student. I have to do the revolution for Telangana. Yes, separate Telangana is our birthright. Whenever we take birth on this Telangana land, we have to fight for Telangana. We have to fight for the benefits of Telangana. Because we people are being exploited since 40 to 50 years.
There are historical reasons why the Osmania University has emerged as a focal point for the struggle for a separate Telangana. It was this very campus that had turned into a battleground during the 1969 struggle. But this time round, the students hope the outcome will be different. In Hyderabad, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.
Tuba.com